It was in 1912 that Yanmar began business in Osaka, Japan. And over the following 100+ years, through ceaseless research and innovation, Yanmar has produced a wide range of pioneering products that use resources responsibly and help to improve people's lives. For the next 100 years, we are focusing on sustainable solutions for the key challenges of population growth, food supply, as well as the supply of energy and the environment. Some of these energy solutions have been incorporated into the newly built Yanmar Group head office. This building is intended to be a showcase for Yanmar's advanced energy-saving technologies. These advanced technologies have been developed by Yanmar Energy System Company, which is working to offer a range of energy solutions that provide the heating, the cooling, and the power that help to make comfortable and modern lifestyles possible. For this reason, we have developed a range of energy system products including gas engine-driven air conditioning systems, gas engine-driven chillers, micro-cogeneration package systems, as well as larger cogeneration systems. The current installation base of well over 300,000 units are saving energy around the world. With a whole range of products for upstream energy applications such as offshore and pipeline applications, to products for downstream applications such as air conditioning or combined heat and power systems for buildings. Yanmar Energy System Company is offering a wide range of high-quality and high-performance energy solutions. This high quality and performance is supported by constant feedback within the cycle of Yanmar business operations. This cycle consists of design and development, testing, manufacturing, installation, service, as well as optional 24/7 remote monitoring. This remote monitoring option tracks system parameters, allowing an even faster service response. The information flows around this cyclic system ensure that we can meet the dynamic needs of our customers and continually improve the range of products and services we offer. We at Yanmar Energy System Company, by designing energy systems that save energy and reduce CO2 emissions, are making a contribution towards achieving a sustainable society in which resources are effectively recycled and people can live comfortably. For the sake of the next generation, we will continue to be pioneers in the field of future energy development. A sustainable future, Yanmar.